Okay, let's keep going with our story. Looks like in this picture, we can see our little truck, and we can see it coming up what looks like to the mud. Maybe the same mud that the big yellow truck already found. Yep. There's our big yellow truck. And there's our little blue truck. He looks like he's stuck. And can you see? Can you see this mud on all sides of that truck? I think his wheels have been spinning and he isn't getting anywhere. Maybe making him even more stuck. I wonder what the blue truck's gonna do. Is he gonna get stuck too? What do we see here? Looks like the animals are a little bit worried about something. Maybe they're worried about our blue truck. They didn't seem to be worried about the yellow truck earlier. But the blue truck is stuck right behind the yellow truck. Here comes the horse and the duck, and the chicken, and the bird. There comes a sheep. The goat looks like he's already there, and the pig squished in between the cow and the sheep. But the cow has got his nose pressed against the back of the little truck. It looks like, look, his wheels are spinning. Getting mud everywhere. But maybe all the animals are coming to help. That's what they're doing, all right. Everyone is doing something to help. Huh. Looks like even this frog is flexing his muscles. Almost like he's a superhero or something. But he wants to help. All these animals pushing, trying to get that truck free, and it looks like the little truck is maybe pushing against the big truck. His wheels don't look stuck anymore. But boy, everyone looks dirty. Have you ever gotten that dirty? And there's the animals. Looks like they're happy. Maybe a shout of hooray in their own different sounds that they make. And you look at the two trucks. Remember we talked about the faces on the trucks? Look how the artist made the faces look like they're friendly. Maybe they've made friends. Maybe the big truck is grateful for the little truck. Happy that he found somebody who could help. Looks like you can see the mud tracks. You see all in the animal tracks and the mud tracks all the way up this way. The big yellow truck is heading off somewhere. The little blue truck looks like he's now allowing the animals to come for a ride. Maybe that's how they're going to celebrate, by taking a ride. This is the last page. And you can tell here that he was celebrating with all these animals. Well, what a great book. I think the next thing we need to do is actually read the words. And as I read the words, maybe it'll tell even a better story or one similar to the one that we just talked about. I can't wait. So let's click on the next video and listen to the story.